Hi, thanks again. Thanks for joining me this time. Yeah, I'm here again, back here in this beautiful location, and I want to talk about something that's really happening in our day-to-day work, in our day-to-day basis, and this is materialistic people, materialistic. Okay, I'm going to say people, men and women. Don't be materialistic. You are following something because of its material value. Why are you following material value? What does that has a meaning in your life? Are you following somebody because he has a Range Rover? Are you following somebody because he has a BMW? You're following somebody because that person is working as a lawyer, as a doctor? Who told you that occupation cannot end? That occupation can come to an end one day? Stop that. Stop being materialistic. Go for values that are long lasting, values that are there, that make sense, that have to do with the personality of that person. Don't just follow something because of its material value. You know what? If you are looking for something, looking for its material value, that shows how weak you are as a person. Normally, material value is not something that lasts for good. Have you had people who are millionaires, who are rich, and have gone to begging, and you are following someone because he's rich? It's a pity. We have to stop this. We have to stop doing this, because what matters in life is your heart, your heart, your heart, your values, your character. This is what matters in life. And what matters again is, are you happy with what you're doing? Are you happy with what you have? Don't follow something because of his career. Don't follow something because he owns a house. Who told you that house cannot be destroyed by natural catastrophes? Who told you that? You're following somebody because he has a job. Can I tell you one thing? You can have a job today, and the next day you have no job. You are out of that job, you're fired, you have nothing. You're following somebody because he's driving a big car. My God. Who told you he cannot? That same car you are admiring is the same car that can bring your life to an end. You are following somebody because that somebody bought you, I don't know, a Ford. Ladies, let's not lower our standards. Let's learn to work hard in our life. Let's learn to work for everything. Those material things, these are things we can buy ourselves. These are things we can even afford with our money. Stop that mentality. If someone is telling you to follow someone because of material things, that person is just putting you in a hole. That person is misdirecting you. Watch out. Watch out. And go for things that matters in life. Values that have sense. Values that are long lasting, not material stuff. This is my advice to everyone. If you have your ears, please hear what I'm saying. If you have your ears, I hope you've heard that. I hope you've heard this in your ears and you really put it in your brain, because this is misleading people everywhere. Men and women are losing their lives, losing their hopes, ending up frustrated in life just because they were following somebody because that somebody was having someone, not knowing that something can come to an end. And once it comes to an end, my dear friend, we will not even look behind. We will not have another option because material things are there to end. They are not long lasting things. Thanks for watching me, and